Today we will talk about best 5 natural makeup removers. We hope you watch this video carefully until the end. Just as you apply makeup every morning, you need to wipe it off every night. But we don't need to tell you that, you know it already. But do you know that you don't have to spend all that money on makeup removers packed with chemicals? Making your own couldn't be easier. Sometimes you only need one ingredient. 5 natural makeup removers you can find in your kitchen. From cucumbers to coconut oil. Number 1. Natural Oil Cleanser. Using almost any type of cleanser will inevitably strip the skin of its natural oils, causing one of two things. The skin will either become very dry and will have to be treated with topical moisturizer, or it will start overproducing oils, making your skin extra oily. A lot of the products on the market today pride themselves on being oil-free, but this can actually harm your skin and lead to premature aging. Oils in the skin is what keeps it youthful-looking, supple, and vibrant. If you use natural oils such as olive oil and coconut oil, you will be able to cleanse your skin without overdrying it. It's also great at removing basically all types of makeup, from the darkest mascara to the most pigmented lipstick. Number 2. Milk. There's no surprise that milk is great for the skin. Milk baths were a popular regimen for royal women thousands of years ago. The fat and proteins in milk, especially whole milk, can help to hydrate and allow for your skin to retain moisture. While drinking milk might exacerbate skin conditions such as acne and eczema, using it topically might help to soothe it. Using milk to remove your makeup is simpler and cheaper than buying most drugstore removers. Take about a tablespoon of almond oil and add it to a bowl of whole milk and rub it all over your face with a washcloth or cotton ball. It should leave your face makeup free and refreshed. Number 3. Cucumber. There are many beauty products that use cucumber in them to help remove makeup. So instead of heading to the store, look no further than your refrigerator. Cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties, so they will help to soothe irritated skin or acne-prone skin. Take 1 cucumber and blend it into a paste. Use it as a cleanser on your face. If you have tough makeup to remove, add a little bit of milk or olive oil to the mixture. Number 4. Yogurt. Yogurt is another kitchen staple that is great for your skin because it serves a number of different purposes. Using yogurt on your skin can help to moisturize it, and it's perfect for relieving sunburns. Take a clean cotton round and dip it into some plain yogurt, rub it all over your face in a circular motion, and then rinse off with cool water. Number 5. Raw honey and baking soda. Think about how you are about to remove all of your makeup and that gnarly city grime, while you exfoliate and add crucial vitamins to your skin. This 3-ingredient recipe will act as a remover and cleanser. Start by adding baking soda to your raw honey, add a few drops of your favorite oil and whip into a paste. Apply with a warm washcloth, and you've just made yourself a natural makeup remover cleanser. Who isn't trying to save time and a dime? If you like this video and you find it helpful, then please hit the like button below. Make sure you subscribe because we post health benefit related video every single day. If you have a request for a video, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. So take care, bye, and see you until the next video.